Hello everyone. In this video we will see the methods of central tendencies. First of all, what is meant by measure of central tendency? A measure of central tendency is a summary statistics that represents the central point or typical value of a dataset. Our aim is to pick a representative for the data which gives an explicit picture of that variable. Our representative must be within the range of data. Sometimes a measure of central tendency is also known as measure of location or simply an average. There are five widely used averages: arithmetic mean, median, mode, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. The mean, median, and mode are usually called simple averages, and the other two averages, geometric mean and harmonic mean, are called special averages. There are other averages apart from these also, like quartiles, octiles, deciles, percentiles, moving average, and progressive average. What are the characteristics for a good average? First of all, it should be very easy to compute. It should be well defined mathematically. For example, arithmetic mean. It should be least influenced by extreme values. It should not vary much with the fluctuations of sampling, which means that if I take two samples, the two samples average should be almost near. It should be easily calculated and should be based on all observations. It should be near to most of the observations and symbolize maximum characteristics of the data. Similarly, we have the limitations of the average also. So most of the time, the average symbolizes a set of observations but not an individual. So generally, an average does not exist in the set of observations. Sometimes the average gives out to a value which is not conceivable. For example, if I say the average class strength in a school is 20.3, the 20.3 doesn't have an interpretation because the average class strength can be 20 or 21. The next point is the average to be chosen should depends upon the nature of the data set. So most of the times when we choose the average, so it depends upon the data on which we are working. So whether it is qualitative data or quantitative data, like that. What are the classifications of averages? There are three main classifications of averages. There are mathematical averages, positional averages, and commercial averages. Mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean, which are well defined mathematically, comes under mathematical averages. Median, mode, quartiles, percentiles, deciles, and octiles, which are observed with the position of the data, comes under positional averages. And the moving averages, composite averages, and progressive averages come under commercial averages. So in this video, we saw the characteristics, limitations, and the classifications of the averages. In the next video, we will see the arithmetic mean,